So here's my beautiful Chevy Silverado. Unfortunately, I was towing my trailer yesterday, and the driver's side wheel hub went up in smoke. As you can see, melted the CV joint there. So today I'm going to replace the hub and the CV joint on this bad boy, because it's seized up on me. Here you can see where we dragged it. Made a nice little ditch. And that's some bitch. Alright, so now that I got the wheel off, you can see the brakes right here. What I'm going to do next is pop off this connector here for the brake sensor. We're going to take off this disc brake caliper next. One bolt here. One bolt below here, right on the bottom. Then after that, we can see the hub. Take that off. And the CV joint. All these bolts right here. Just pull them out. Nice bolt-on application, makes it easy. Now when you're taking off the other half of that there caliper, it's a good idea to have a breaker bar and a 1/2-inch drive wrench. So these bolts here are 21 millimeters. You have one on the top, one on the bottom right here. Okay, so I got the brake caliper off. Just had to undo this clip here, cut off a zip tie, and just set her down where the hose isn't going to break or tear. So here, as you can see, here's the hub. Got that caliper out of the way. Right here, you'll see these bolts. There'll be 4 of them. One there, one here. We're going to take those off, replace the hub, which has these new spindles. So let's go take a look at these new parts. So here, got my CV joint. Brand new. It cost me 67 bucks. Not bad. So there's that. Over here is the new hub. So you see those 4 threaded holes there. Those are the 4 bolts I just showed you. We're going to pop that out right now. So to get the other half of that there brake caliper off, go ahead and pull the disc brake off. Alright, so there's that. Now, the 4 bolts in the back that I mentioned before, we're going to take those off. As you can see here, this brake sensor got fried, melted right to the metal dust deflector. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to take this bad boy apart. Next, you want to remove this cover off the hub. There you'll see a big ass nut. Look at that damn thing. I don't even know what size that is. I'm going to have to find something else. Take this off. But connected to the hub is your sensor wire. It's located right up here. There's a connector. You want to disconnect that before taking the hub off. So we need to take this nut off, pull the hub out, good to go. Now the center bolt is a 35 millimeter. So when taking this off, make sure you got at least 2 bolts in on the back to keep it from spinning. Use a breaker bar, strongly suggested. As you can see here, the hub is off. Just pulls right off the splines. This is my old one. As you can see, the bearings pretty much on fire. They're done. So that whole hub is trash. So this CV joint here, all we have to do is unbolt 6 bolts in the back here, all the way around. I pulled that there CV joint out pretty easy. Just push it down here and it pops right out. So now we're going to install the new CV and the hub. Right over here. So there's my old one, all jacked up. There's the old hub. Here's the new CV here and the new hub, ready to go. Here's the new CV joint I got installed. I'm gonna put the hub on this brand new bad boy. Now these hubs are already greased, so you don't have to worry about it. Slap it on there and line up the splines. Right there. Bolt her up. So here's my driver's side. Brand new wheel hub here installed. The new CV joint back there. Don't forget your dust guard here and your connector. The wire needs to go down here around the dust guard up to your connector up here. Then after that, just put the brake caliper on, slap the wheel on, tighten everything down, you're good to go. Good deal. She's all together. Now we're going to test her out, make sure the 4x is good. Let's go climb some hills. Sweet. Well, she's rolling, that's good. There's the trailer I was hauling when it broke. Alright. Hopefully no one's coming. Oh yeah, she's working good. Good deal. And that's how you replace the hub and CV joint. I'm Redneck Cowboy. Thanks for watching.